How to stop paper EOBs. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to stop paper EOBs on your BCBS application, first thing, just head over to your any of your browser and just log into your BCBS account, or if you are using Android application, just make sure you open the application and after installing you have successfully logged into your account. So once you successfully log into your member account on your website or mobile app, just look under the member icon drop down in the upper right corner on your website, and if you are using application, just choose the my account section, and from over there you should see option that is choose paperless options, and you can basically change your settings whenever you want, just like that. And if you want any if you have any queries or questions related to it, you can just come over to their website and just tap on this contact us section to call them directly or send them an email for further information on the particular subject matter which you would like. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.